Hi, welcome to Healthie's video on the patient experience with documents. Healthie Documents make viewing private files or educational resources shared by providers simple and secure for patients to access and view. Patients can also upload documents directly through their portal in order to share them with their healthcare provider in a HIPAA-compliant way. In this video, we'll learn how patients can view their documents and how patients can upload a document to share with their provider. When you share a new document with a patient, they will automatically receive an email notification. Clicking the link within the email will prompt them to sign into their Healthie client portal, where they will be able to view your shared resource. Here we see a patient's view of their portal in the Healthie web app. On the left-hand menu, we see a page titled Documents. This is where patients can view any document resources or files that you have shared with them. This may be anything from provider handouts to session notes that you've chosen to share with them. To view or download a document, they can click directly on the name of the document. Alternatively, selecting the three dots to the right will allow them to either preview the document or download the document. Clients will continue to have access to this resource within their own documents library unless you unshare the resource with them. Patients are also able to upload a document on this page to share with their provider. This may be anything from lab work they've received, medical test results, or an image of their current prescription list, and more. Note that to share file types other than an image, like PDFs, Word docs, Excel files, or video files, they must log into their portal from the web browser. For a client to upload a document on the web app, they'll need to navigate to this Documents page and click Upload Document in the upper right corner. They'll click Select File from Computer, and once they've added the document, click Upload. Just as providers can organize resources into folders, patients can also easily create folders. This can be done by simply clicking on the New Folder button, naming the folder, clicking Create, and now clients can drag and drop resources into folders to create their desired document organization. For more on documents within Healthie, please see our tutorial video, Add, Share, and Manage Documents.